Hello everyone, good day. My name is Nur Atika Ramadhani binti Muhammad Idros. Today I will be presenting about my product, a coding app called Mimo. First thing, Mimo is a mobile app that teaches coding through short interactive lessons and challenges. It's designed for beginners and support multiple coding languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML. So the background of this app is Mimo is a mobile app that designed to help user learns coding and programming in an interactive and gamified way. It was developed by a company called Mimo Hello GmbH, an Austrian company founded in 2016. The app offers bite-sized lessons, coding challenges, and projects across various programming languages, just as I mentioned, like Python, JavaScript, and HTML, and so on. Mimo is known for its beginner-friendly approaches, allowing users to learn at their own pace, even without any prior coding experiences. It has gained popularity due to its engaging interface, progress tracking, and structured learning paths. Company info. The name of the company, as I mentioned, is Mimo Hello GmbH, founded in 2016. Headquarters are in Austria. Their motto is, we're on a mission of making coding accessible to everyone. The name of the CEO is Johannes Berger, and the CTO is Dennis Daum. The team used like remote first with members from multiple countries. So basically, they have employees from all over the world, so working from their homes or anywhere they want. So next, the products that they have is the Mimo app, as I mentioned, where you could just download it in App Store or Apple Store. And next is Mimo Web, is a website where you can just open on your laptop or your computer. And next is Mimo Dev. Mimo Dev is an online coding bootcamp where you have to pay. They will have an individual to become a online developer within 6 months. And then they really values inclusion, openness, and curiosity and focus. And board of director and management, the CEO is Johan Berg, and then chief technology officer, the CTO is Dennis Daum, and then chief operating officer Henry M. Seder, and then chief product office CPO Lawrence Smith. Okay. So about the characteristic about Mimo is it is beginner friendly. It is specially designed for those who little or no coding experience at all. So whoever doesn't have any basic or doesn't know at all about coding, this app is very perfect for you because it will teach you about the most basic thing first, and then we move on to more difficult practices. And then hands-on practice, they give you real coding exercise and projects. And then structured learning paths, they give you step-by-step guidance for different skill levels. So of course, there's not only just beginner who wanted to learn more about coding. Of course, there's some people who know more than the best, or a lot more than that. You can just go to settings, and when you first downloaded the app, they will ask you about your experience at where your level is. And then next is self-paced. Learn anytime, anywhere at your own speed. And then gamified experience includes achievement streaks and progress tracking. So the way that they program the app is more like a game, so you don't feel like you're studying. You could just have fun while learning coding. And then next, Mimo characteristics. So as you can see, those four colors are the main colors that you can see in the app. You can see the color of the button, the background, and then appearance and design. The typography they uses is clear and readable fonts for lesser theme. Bright and engaging colors, often with white backgrounds and colorful buttons. So you can see it's very bright and colorful, so it's more fun to learn in this app. Next is how to use. So first, you can go to the App Store or Apple Store. You download the Mimo app, and then you sign up your Google account. First, when you open the app, you will need to choose a course. So basically, the coding language that you want to learn. They give you a step-by-step exercise and will answer coding challenges and quizzes. Next is why I choose this application. Alright, the reason I choose this application is because first, at this age, at this day and age, I wanted to learn coding because technology is improving, and most of it really requires knowing about coding and all. So I wanted to learn it, and I was really interested in how to code and making like games or making websites, something like that, to learn about the basic of coding and to not make any bad habits when it comes to coding. And then conclusion, Mimo is a user-friendly app. There's a lot of benefits from Mimo that I can see. It's very fun, it's very engaging, it's very easy to learn from it, and there's a lot of option when it comes to like coding languages. And next, the customer. The targeted customer is mostly the beginners who are interested in coding, and students, and then lastly self-learners who want an easy and a flexible way to learn coding. Also ideal for those who have no experience, as well as those who are a career changer looking to enter the tech industry. So okay, between Mimo and Solo Learns, I will say that both of these apps is a great app when it comes to learn how to code. Mimo is more structured learning path. It gives you guided step-by-step path, while Solo Learns lets you jump around freely and try any exercise, which can be confusing for some learners, for some beginners. And then Mimo is more engaging in some way. Mimo use gamified features. As I said, they have strict achievement, daily goals, while Solo Learns has quizzes and challenges, but it feels more like a bit more traditional learning. Also, real world project. Mimo teaches by letting you build real website, while Solo Learns are pretty neat, but I would say that Mimo are more clean and more neat when it comes to learning. Overall, Solo Learns is still great, especially for exploring multiple languages, but it can feel less guided and practical. And Mimo is, if you're a beginner who wants a clear path, fun experience, and real project, Mimo is better in my opinion. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention.